Hey, it's Chef Austin here with everythingkitchens.com. Today we're going to be testing out the Air Lock Bag Resealer. So here's our Air Lock Bag Resealer. You can see it's very small, very portable, and we'll show you on the back here the USB recharging port. So basically anywhere you can charge your cell phone, you're going to be able to recharge your bag sealer. There is a very small blue LED on the inside indicating that this is charging. It will turn to red once it is fully charged. And then on the back here, you're going to see a magnet strip. This is easy to just slap on the refrigerator, so you won't lose this little guy. So let's open him up. He's very simple to work. He is in the lock position right now. We're going to change him into the seal position. Now he is ready to seal up some bags. These small texture pads are the sealing pads. These will get very hot, so do not touch them. So the best method that we found to seal bags is, instead of just sealing a single layer, is to actually do a double layer. So we're going to fold over just like this, and we're going to seal it. And we're going to do just equal pressure all the way across without stopping. And we'll have a nice sealed bag. And it is kind of hard to start at the exact edge, so you might want to just go back with your sealer and hit that edge one more time. And then your edge is also sealed. So I never finished my bacon, and my bacon will go bad before I get to it. So this bag sealer is awesome just for bacon, because I can just run it across here and completely seal up my bacon so it stays fresh. And for thicker plastics, you will not need to fold over the bag. So this Air Lock Bag Resealer does have a little bit of a learning curve, but this will definitely keep your food fresher longer. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give us that like, and be sure to subscribe to Everything Kitchens on our YouTube channel for more chef unboxing and reviews. And if you want your own bag resealer, you can get that at our website at everythingkitchens.com. The link is in the description. I'm going to have some cereal.